Michael Phelps, already the most decorated Olympian of all time. And on Tuesday, he kept the medals coming and coming. This is the Daily Win presented by Old Spice Red Zone. Smell 'em who's boss. Rio is likely Michael Phelps' fifth and final Olympic run, but we did say that back in 2012. His unimaginable career did not skip a beat on Tuesday. The 31-year-old American now with 25 medals and 21 of those gold. No one in Olympic history has more than 9. Phelps called Tuesday's double slate the toughest of his career. It's not as easy as it was back in his younger days. He started off the night taking the 200-meter butterfly, a little redemption, and a lot of swagger for Phelps after a rare and mistimed loss in 2012 to Chad Leclos. An hour later, another race and another gold for Phelps, the anchor in the 4x200 freestyle relay, which they took to a roaring Rio crowd. Phelps has more gold medals than 174 countries, but we can't forget some of our favorite moments coming outside the pool. Kevin Durant and Team USA looking like proud parents up there. And then we know Mom Debbie by now, but we got to see Phelps' 3-month-old son Boomer and fiancée Nicole Johnson. And about those dots, don't worry, it's just a recovery method called cupping. Don't worry, it's not over yet for Phelps, who first hit the Olympic stage in Sydney in 2000. Could it be 23 golds for Michael Phelps? He is still scheduled to swim in the 200 individual medley and the 100 fly.